Single in the air. He hasn't got hold of it. Is there trouble here? Oh, that was a good dive. That was an excellent dive put in by the fielder there. Oh, he's hurt himself, Ahmed Shahzad, but that was surely a 200% effort.
This is something the Hawks do not need. Required that to what would have been an absolutely brilliant catch, but not to be. Four runs.
Bowling very tightly, but this time Amir Yamin took a huge chance to hit the ball against the spin and did it successfully. Get to a decent total for Shahid Afridi to shorten his length, and he was ready for it. Hit that ball with a lot of disdain, Amir Yamin.
And Shahid Afridi changing his pace. He has flighted the first two, got hit in the front of the wicket. This time a bit faster, and Amir Yamin was quick to cut it. Excellent.
To hit the ball long is working for Bagh Stallions. Iftikhar got into the act, made use of that edged. No protection for the bowler in that area. 4 runs.
Amir Yamin looking really good. This partnership.
That's in the air. First ball, and he has struck Hussain Talat. What a change made by Shahid Afridi.
And are gone. Slow one there. Wanted to hit it over mid-off, but Shahid Afridi was there.
On. A bit of F. That's all was needed for Amir Yamin to cash in.
And both these cricketers, very good all-round cricketers. Imran Randhawa, and who actually be in the 11, and was saying, oh, that's an incredible shot again.
Was in the air, into the gap. Another boundary scored in this over. This has been a very good over for Bagh Stallions.
Shot. It's in the air, but will clear. He's super. Amir Yamin, will pick him in your side any day.
Playing the right sort of hand here for the Bagh Stallions.
It's just the bad length. Have a look at that. Same area. It's a boundary this time. It wasn't that short, Mone, but he's just shuffled across so quickly deep in the crease that he's been able to pull it. Four. It's just now becoming a routine, isn't it? These runs are being leaked here. Shahid Afridi is just watching from mid-off.
And that flies high and handsome to third man. And now Shahid Afridi runs around. That's a neat catch. You don't always expect those to fly down to third man. And he's had a good day. So
Umaid Asif goes for 14 of 9, 132 for 7. He's hit that. Though it's the toe end of the bat, but he still managed to clear it nice and easy.
Yamin deciding to clear that left leg early, and Maqsood coming a little bit closer after that first one.